school officially. It's like a community-based art school. So we have like for drawing we have a 6B pencil. And I was studying tonality, humor, because I love comedy, I love stand-up comedy, and I had this deep-seated infatuation for humor, the phonological features of humor, a literal statement, but the contrasted interpretation derived from the tonal features of a sarcastic statement. It's literal, but from a cognitive neuroscientific perspective, the brain interprets, a literal statement propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency? What causes amplitude? So why you could have an A chord, but yet you have another note, but it's a higher pitch. So what causes amplitude is when there's a force, and this force creates an energy that vibrates from